swallowed.
Wow.
I think,
Wow. Yeah, they have this on TV.
Let's slow down on this area, Jonathan. It's nice and cool over here. You gonna take a seat? No? He's back there somewhere. You see any crocodiles, Jonathan? Johnny Tan, slow down, slow down. You don't want to scare the birds away. You don't want to scare the birds away, Jonathan. Slow down. Stop, 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 stop. Look at the birds. Jonathan, look at the birds right there. Look, turn around. Look at the birds. Oh boy. Oh boy, you're scaring them. You're scaring them. You're scaring them. No. They don't want to be touched. They don't want to be touched. They just want to be left alone. You can look, but you can't touch. There, see? See? They're gonna sit right here next to us. No problems. No problems. They'll even sit here and wait for Daniel to catch up. Daniel! Catch up! Oh boy. Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye. It's somebody's bird day today. Those two birds are waiting for you. Ooh, look at the baby birdie. And Daddy's like, get the heck away.